Today we are visiting L'Isle Sur la Sorgue. I really love it here because they are known for their antiques. So on Sundays they have antiques lined up around the little town, as well as a farmer's market, clothing. So we're gonna head there now and check out what they have. I'm very excited because the last time we were here we didn't get to see the antique market because we missed it because it was on the other side. And today we drove by it, so we're about to head there right now. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour of all the antiques that they have here on Sundays. I highly recommend coming if you're ever visiting Provence. It's a lot of fun to walk around and just maybe get a souvenir. They're quite pricey though, but I know these people probably work really hard collecting all these antiques. And not only do they have the antiques on Sundays, but throughout the week there's stores all around the town that have antique stores. So this is what L'Isle Sur la Sorgue is really known for. They also have, like I said, the markets today. So we're gonna head on into the city center now and go see if we can find some lunch for us and just walk around, people watch, and I hope you enjoy the view. Oh my gosh. No, come back, come back.
D'olive aux herbes en Provence, s'il vous plaît. Alright, so for today's lunch, what do we have? We have a traditional baguette, which is a must-have when you're having a picnic in France. Some black olives with, I think there's garlic, herbs, and oil. Also a Provençal tradition. And then this Lebanese guy was selling all sorts of Lebanese treats, but this is a zucchini beignets, and they're vegan. Oh yeah.
Good?
You're gonna love those.
And we're sitting in front of this beautiful church doors. There's nothing better than a baguette and olives. And right now, everyone is harvesting the olives. And that's what I love. I just like every season is meant for something. And that's what's great about the farmers markets. No matter when you go, there's always something in season. And you're able to get it. Like in California, you eat strawberries year round. You don't get that here in France. And I think that's really, really special that you're able to go to the farmers markets and just get what's in season, and it's always so delicious. And it's also nice because in X, we have a market every single day. And it's nice to visit other people's markets in different towns or villages. Yeah, farmers markets are just my favorite.
How's that olive?
It's good, but my favorite are green olives, and Paul chose them. I had him choose, and now I'm kind of regretting it because some green ones would have been nice.
It's like I can't do anything right anymore.
Alright, so we left L'Isle Sur la Sorgue and we took about a 10-minute drive here to Fontaine de Vaucluse, and I've never been here before, so I'm very, very excited. I was ready to go home actually, and Paul was the one that was like, no, it's like only 10 minutes away, let's go check it out. So I'm excited to explore because driving through here, it is stunning, and I can't wait to show you guys around and see what we can find here. I honestly wanted to come here during summer because they rent out the little canoes or kayaks. So I definitely want to come back during summer, but I'm glad we're experiencing it during fall because of all of the foliage, different colors, and the smoke coming out of the rooftops. It's just nice and cozy. Nature.
This place is really, really majestic.
Yeah, get the best of both worlds. If you want to like come and eat in the middle of nature, it's nice. A nice restaurant.
Yeah, this village is a lot more, I would say smaller. You don't have a lot of like touristic stores selling like crafts and stuff like that. It's mostly a bunch of restaurants along the river, and then you have the mountains in the backdrop, and it's really pretty, and then the stone houses. I don't know, I really like it. It's definitely like very special, but I don't know if that would make it to the top 10 of the places to visit in Provence because there's not much to do here, it seems.
Did you take it back on the top 10?
Makes it to the top 10 for sure. It really reminds me of Fushimi Inari Shrine when we were in Japan. Just like walkway through under the trees. I don't know, it's very special. I like it. It also reminds me of Moustier Sainte-Marie.
I was just telling Paul that I can't believe we've never been here in the past 3 years that we've lived here.
I know, we've come to Gore like 3 times.
Yeah.
L'Isle Sur la Sorgue like 4 times.
And this is our first time. And it's so nice because of the walk here. But there's a lot of people, like a lot of people on the trail.
It's Sunday. Imagine how many people are in Gourd right now.
Right. On weekdays, I guess it would be quieter. Today was the perfect day. I hope you enjoyed coming along. This is like the perfect itinerary if you're visiting Provence. And on a Sunday, it's perfect. You go to the market, have a little picnic. You can even bring it here to have a picnic because it's only about a 10-minute drive from L'Isle Sur la Sorgue. And this is just stunning. Being in nature is just so therapeutic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.